Hi guys, welcome to our Red Hill project. As you can see, we're making pretty good headway here. We're adding a bigger kitchen, an additional lounge room, another bedroom and an extra bathroom. We also will have a pool going out the back and retaining wall and landscaping so that there's still an outdoor area for the clients and their children to enjoy. So we've been on site now for 2.5 weeks and you can see we've demolished the old patio area. We've excavated, concreted, built the frame and the roof's going up on Friday. So 3 weeks and we've got a roof on here.